Want to eat?
Okay. So Xander's gonna try his first bite of meat, just chicken. Ready? Let's see what happens. Wanna try some chicken? What's that? It's dry. Yeah, that's it. That's why I'm giving him a little bit at a time.
That's why I mix it again.
One more? You gotta chew. You gotta chew it. You don't have teeth yet, huh? Do you want some sweet potatoes with it? Hey, look. Want some sweet potatoes with your chicken? Open. Mmm. You're like, what is this, Mom? This is different. Let's spit it at me. Mmm. Want some more? There. Open. You're doing good now? Is it yummy? Gotta chew it. In your case, you can gum it. No, you swallowed it. Do. Want some prunes and chicken? It's a weird little mixture. It's like Thanksgiving. Is that good? Open. Say yummy. Is it good? I think you'd just eat everything. Okay, say bye-bye. So we finish eating. Say bye-bye.